I started back on the fence today, but you can see the different color right there. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but right here is the new stuff, and the galvanized is a little bit different in the color. But I mean, that's okay with me. I don't care. I'm gonna try to get down there to that corner. Today anyways. Wish me luck. From there to there. 33 feet so far. About the same length, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, 45. Another about 40 feet to go. Be right back. Look at that shit. Alright, well. I got one more panel to put up. I gotta extend them 3 pieces of wood right there, which won't be that bad. This is the side. There's the front. All I gotta do is put the trim up on the top, up there. And I gotta put this corner piece in. It's fucking crazy, man. That's a lot of damn work for one person. Well, Sharon did help me a little bit. She held the water hose while I mixed the concrete. So I gotta give it to her for the help. So the last time the storm came, it blew, it pulled the metal studs or screws out of these boards, and that's what fell down. So I came up with a new remedy for that. I gotta put one there still. Might be a little overkill, but that shit ain't coming off there no more. Ah, fuck. Alright, on to the next part. Well, it's been a long time on this damn thing. But there was the first section. And of course we got this gate I gotta put in here. This is the second section. I broke it up into 4 sections and went halfway down this side. And that's where I got stuck. I had all these others that coming in and taking me away from this damn job. Like you can see the new metal right there. I looked for my trim, and apparently I don't have any more trim to put on the top. So I have to go order me some of that. Come down here real quick. I did get the trim on the corners. And on the bottom, you can see that little red line going down there. That's bottom trim, base trim. There's the other side. It's got all the trim on the bottom, but I ain't got none on the top. It's annoying. I wanted to finish this. I got the end trim on. That's looking pretty good. Fence is pretty much up. The only thing I had to do is add some more supports in the inside. And you see these little metal on. I put them on every pole because, like I said earlier, when it got knocked out last time, they pulled the screws through. Now I did put some up there on top, but then I realized that I got to take them back off. So I didn't put none on this one. And the reason is because up there across the top, I think I'm going to run another board and put some little extensions in here. And I'm going to put a brace right here because this fence is pretty tall and it's vulnerable to high winds, I believe. And I don't want to go through that again. That was a lot of work for one man to do. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a brace on every other one of these poles, have it anchored down to the ground, and then a short little deal there. But yeah, that's it, man. It's pretty much done. Man, I'm glad that's over with. I guess still got to put the clips on. I'm gonna put some of that. I'll put that rim board across the top too. Still, that's it. Then it's done. A little more paint, a little more sealer. We'll call it a day. Peace out.